Hi there, students. An Odyssey, or as well, the Odyssey. Okay, an Odyssey is a long journey, yeah? Particularly when you're looking for something. Yeah, a journey where you have to go to lots of different places and do lots of different things. Maybe some are dangerous, some are exciting. And then the Odyssey. This was a book written, or a poem, a pair of poems written by Homer in 800 BC. Okay, so we very often use this phrase, an odyssey. So trying to find a pair of shoes in the right size was a real odyssey. Yeah, it was a long and difficult journey. Yeah, it was long and complicated. Yeah, to find a vaccine for COVID was an odyssey for the scientists, for example. Notice this odyssey can be both positive and negative in the way that we use it. Yeah, so it was a real odyssey for me to find this book. I'm saying it was a very difficult experience. I had to go to hundreds of places. But then you could also use it in a positive way. Going to the exhibition was an odyssey of discovery. So, like a spiritual or an intellectual quest, you have to go to lots of different places and learn lots of different things. So, if we describe something as an odyssey, it could be both, it could mean either something positive or negative. The plot of the film follows the odyssey of a woman trying to find her lost child, for example. So a long and difficult journey. But then going to the planetarium was an odyssey. It took me to wonderful planets and amazing stellar objects. So in that case, it's very positive. Okay, so an odyssey, a long wandering trip or voyage with many changes of fortune. Yeah. I decided to travel from northern Canada through to Tierra del Fuego, the southern tip of Latin America. Yeah, and this trip was a real odyssey. It was very interesting. There were difficult moments, there were positive moments. I learnt many, many, many things. Yeah, so it's a long journey on which a lot of things happen. Yeah, but then coming home from work today was a real odyssey because there was a traffic jam. And this stopped all the traffic, and it took me hours and hours and hours. Okay, so it can work both ways. Let's look at the origin, because the origin is quite good. The Odyssey is an ancient Greek poem by Homer about the adventures of Odysseus, and that's really where the word comes from. And Odysseus went off to war in the Trojan Wars, and then it took him 10 years to come home. Yeah, because of all the things that happened to him on his way home. So, and that's really the idea of an odyssey, a long extended trip. Yeah, which is eventful. Yeah, with lots of different things happening. Yeah, with adventure, with hardships, with all sorts of things. Yeah. Okay, but notice again, you can use it positively. So I guess learning English is an odyssey of discovery. Yeah, you discover new words, you discover new meanings for things, and it can be very interesting, although difficult at times, but well worth it. Let's see, formality. This is an interesting one. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use this anyway. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation. And I think you could also use it in a very formal writing. Notice, an Odyssey, this is where we're using it figuratively. But the Odyssey, with a capital O, is talking about the poem. Okay? So, Odyssey, a really good word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Odyssey.